Hello everyone. So there is a great news here. There is a good news here. So Capgemini has started sending the final assessment mail for 1920 batches. Okay. So you can see this email has been sent from Superset notification at email.joinsuperset.com. Timing is 13th January. That means day before yesterday, 20 to 8. That means 10 8 p.m. Now, so thank you for your interest in pursuing a job opportunity with Capgemini. As Capgemini, we strive to look for passionate people who are Capgeminis. Get the future you want. We will be conducting end-to-end hiring activities such as assessment and interview virtually. So everything will happen virtually for engineering MCA batch 2022 recruitment drive. So your final assessment is scheduled for 2022 January 18th. Okay, and the timing is 1:30 p.m. So do not get confused with this. So engineering MCA batch 2022 recruitment drive, that means they are going to recruit this year 2022, but this email is for the Capgemini Exceller program, and Capgemini has finally started sending the test date, the final assessment email. You can see this is coming from the Superset, and definitely so the name is hidden here. Okay, now so the login window is only 30 minutes. You cannot, okay, log in before your given login time, and you cannot log in 30 minutes after your given login time. So you will be not be able to log in after 2 p.m. Okay, so you cannot log in 30 minutes after your given login time. So after 2 p.m. you will not be able to log in. Okay, and even you cannot log in before your given login time. So at the same time you have to do. So go through the relevant document and videos for the installation and frequently asked question. Okay, now friends, so I'm going to tell you some important thing. So we are also going to start. So this video will be uploaded in some time. So Capgemini pseudocode question and solution, which was asked on 21st of December 2021. So 21st of December also Capgemini has done the recruitment and the test was conducted. So that pseudocode question solution will be uploaded in some time on this particular channel itself. So if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe, because we are doing lot of activities, right? And friends, we always strive for the quality. So you can see we have uploaded for all the examination, so preparation related videos, and definitely interview expenses, everything. So that definitely that will be also done. So now it's time for you to prepare, because you have got the final assessment test scheduled. Okay, and this is so most of them has got on 18th of January. I do not know if somebody has got on different dates. So Capgemini final assessment test with system check information, login credentials. So also you need to check your system if your system is compatible for the test or not. Okay, and here also login credentials will be there, but definitely in this email we have not shown that. So in this email you will be getting your system check information, that your system is compatible for taking the test or not. You will be getting the login credentials. Okay, so once again friends, I'm telling, so if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Okay, please do subscribe, because a lot of preparation video you will be getting it. You might be able to get this video within 1 hour of this video is getting uploaded. So we are completely going to take care of your preparation. You do not have to worry at all. Okay, just have a trust on us. So we have already given more than 10,000 results, and within very less span of time, within 2 years. So please do follow, do subscribe, and wait for each and every information. So as soon as we get all the information, will be shared with you. Okay, so this is the channel again I'm showing you. So do subscribe and check out the content once. So once you check out the content, you will come to know the quality which online study for you is providing. And definitely for Capgemini, like game based aptitude, your pseudocode, verbal ability, each and everything will be covered here. Thank you, and all the very best for your written test examination.